back to my channel. It's bbmirasworld here again today. So I'm gonna be doing my apartment tour in Ghana. So basically I'm just gonna be showing you guys my entire apartment. So yeah, you guys can't wait to see it. You guys can't wait. I can't even wait to watch my own video. God, this is hilarious. Okay guys, if you're new, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it. If you're not new, thank you so much for sticking around once again. So we are wasting most of your time. Let us move into the video right now. We start from outside. Here's the gate, and coming in from the gate you'll meet the mini garden, I will call this. That's the security post, and that's the main building over there. The garden is damn beautiful and everything is looking on point. When I saw this on Airbnb, I'm like, I'm gonna stay here even if it's for a few days, because I intend swapping and changing apartments just to get a look and feel of how different apartments are here in Ghana. So basically this is the garden and that's the main apartment. So I'll walk through this step, and the first thing I'm gonna meet is the sitting room. So I'll take you guys from there. Yeah. You can see me here, right? So here is the sitting room, guys. So basically this is what the sitting room looks like. That's the television. This are three couch, and then a table. I think this is for games, and yeah, this is a dining table, a dining set, and basically that's all for the sitting room. Just basically this is all for the sitting room. So next I'm going to be taking you guys is the kitchen. So basically this is what the kitchen looks like, you know. Let's turn on the light first. So lights are on now. So just to get a proper view first, this is what the kitchen looks like. That's the fridge. So you can just put anything you want. I haven't gotten anything here because I just barely got here. Basically that is it. And this is the microwave, and these are just stuff like ingredients for cooking. Here's the gas, electric cooker and electric boiler, cups, plates and stuff. And here we have the washer here, so you can basically even wash. So you see, and then here you can do whatever it is you want to do. You want to slice stuff, you want to sit and talk, you want to cook, do stuff, and basically that's it. So let's move ahead and open each and every cabinet and see what we've got inside there. So basically nothing here. Here we have glass cups and all that. And here we have what? Basically nothing. Okay, these are cabinets where you can store a whole lot of things. So basically these are people's stuff, like, yeah. So basically there are about 3 or 4 rooms here, and I'm just gonna show you guys. You guys can just hold on. kitchen utensils. Basically nothing here, and basically nothing as well. Okay, that's the blender rather. And here for Nigerians, when you guys bring your stockfish or your dry fish, here's where to start. So that's the waste bin. So basically we are done with the kitchen. What do you guys think? Is dope, right? Dope. Basically that's all for the kitchen. In a few hours time, I'm basically going to head out and look for something to prepare. I think I'm craving noodles for now, so I look for something to prepare and have it now. And then basically, let me not waste much time here. Now this is all for downstairs, like downstairs. So there are the sitting room, the dining room, the kitchen, there's the washer downstairs. So let's head upstairs, see what we've got there. The way to upstairs is from the sitting room. Sitting room leads to this mini passage, which takes us upstairs, and basically this is the first floor, and I'm going to show you something amazing. I'm going to show you something amazing. This is a nice view from the first floor. So you can just come here, sit, drink, chill, and see the view, guys. Like, the view is mad. Like you're seeing the entire city. So basically I'm so excited because I'm gonna come here during the evening period, sit, drink if I want to drink, or reminisce if I want to reminisce, or meditate if I want to meditate, or stuff like that. And I'm gonna take this spot for my pictures. I'm gonna take this spot for my pictures and take pictures and stuff. So here are flowers, and that's the garden downstairs. It looks dope. So guys, over there is my room. Let's keep going. So this is about this terrace here. Is this really a terrace? This is a balcony. The terrace is upstairs because I'm still gonna show you guys that place. So yeah, this is balcony on the first floor. So next thing we're gonna do is to move to my room. So here's the corridor that leads to my room, and here is stuff for ironing your clothes if you wish to. And basically this is my room. So here is what my room looks like. This television is on. I need to turn it off. I don't need stories now. So here it looks pretty small. Like there's another one I'm going to show you that was supposed to be my room, but I'll show you the reason why, the reason I decided to take this one. It is just because of this view. Like, only you guys, just because of this view. Don't worry, I'm going to slide it open now for you guys. So like I told you guys, the only reason I chose this place is basically because of this view. Like, seriously, this is the only reason. And you know, if I'm gonna make videos, this is gonna make my videos clear because I don't have any lighting. I didn't connect any lighting. So basically, this is why I chose this place. Like, yeah. Other parts of the room, unlike the other one that had something that looks like wardrobe where you can keep your clothes and all, but this place doesn't have. So told you the reason I chose here, and that's basically it. So I had to pack my shoes in here, down here, and that's my bag, that's my backpack. Here is the waste bin. And another thing is there's no air condition here, it's just this cooler here, but I don't mind. Like I easily get cold. Just the view is everything for me. Like the view is everything. I'm still gonna show you the other room, which was supposed to be mine initially. Just guys, just see, the view is like everything to me. So we're gonna proceed to the washroom, the toilet, the restroom, whatever it is. Let me show you guys the cooler first. And here's the washroom, and oh, already kept my cloth here already. Let me remove it first. So here is basically for dirty clothes, and then the rack is here, the tissue, toothpaste, stuff like that. This is the toilet. This is basically their towel, and it's mine. I came with mine. I don't want storage mine. So basically that's the mirror, and here's the bathroom. So okay, let me not even close. So basically this is the entire view of the toilet. Isn't it dope and cool? So the mug or flask or water bottle, whatever it is, I'm the one that kept it there as a cup, and let's have it. I already just dumped some of my stuff in here, and I have some things to munch on, some biscuits, some chocolates, some stuff like that. So basically that is all for my room. So right now I'm going to be heading to the second floor, because this is the first floor, right? Like I told you guys, downstairs is the sitting room and the kitchen and all that. The first floor is the rooms, and then we'll be heading to the terrace. But before we head to the terrace, this is the other room I told you guys that was supposed to be mine. I sincerely didn't choose this room because of that window. I preferred the view from the other one, but this was actually the room I booked online. This was actually what I saw. It has AC, and it has a place that looks like a wardrobe where I can drop my bag and my shoes. But when I came and I saw the two rooms, I'm like, I think I will do that view, the one I saw the view. This is the toilet. The washroom looks a bit smaller than the other one. Basically they are the same size, but I think this room is actually bigger than the other one. But for the view, I chose the other one. I'm only losing out on the AC and the wardrobe stuff, but I'm good though. I'm very, very good. As far as I can sit on that window and make my videos, I'm good. This step leads to the terrace. It's another cool spot for chilling and relaxation. Wow, can you guys see the view? It's so fine. This place looks so peaceful and serene. It's so fine. The view is everything to me. So basically this is the terrace. This is the second floor, which is basically the terrace, and the view from here is massively dope. Like I don't even know what to say any longer. I think the gardener is walking over there, like planting the flowers and all. There are chairs here when you can just sit and relax, and this is just an open space, and then you can even wash or do whatever it is, yes, because the water can get away from there. As in, basically this place is just cool. Like it's really cool. It's a place you can refresh yourself, you can meditate, you can do loads and loads of stuff. So basically the apartment is, for me, it's a good one. It's a good one. Just watch out. See the view from here. And see the cool breeze and blowing the flowers, and you're just gonna have peace when you sit here in the evenings.
So basically that's what the terrace is all about.
Generator house and slow heading to the backyard. You can see some beautiful flowers here. And basically that's the backyard. So there's nothing much here. There's a clothes where you can spread your clothes. Spread your clothes here. That's the kitchen back door. And this leads us to the front side of the house. And that's it.
I was actually vibing to a music, but I didn't want to be issued any copyright, so I had to mute it and do a voice over it. So what I was basically saying is that this place is peaceful and it's serene, and I was like, I'm basically gonna stay here for a few days because I intend swapping apartments. And but basically, if you want to visit Ghana and you're looking for an Airbnb, this is not a sponsored video, but I think this place is worth it. Like, is whatever it is I saw on that app, that's the same thing I saw here. So I think that'll be it today. I'm just like feeling myself and enjoying myself and taking the cool breeze and stuff like that. And basically that'll be it for today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Please do not forget and endeavor to do that. I love you all. Bye.